OER is proud to present our grille assembly for the 1964 Nova and Chevy II. This grille is manufactured from all-new tooling and is the finest reproduction on the market. Each grille features crisp lines and a clean stamping, resulting in a precise fit and factory original appearance. Manufactured in quality aluminum, the grille comes polished and then clear anodized to preserve the brilliant shine and help prevent corrosion. Like the factory original grille found in the '64 Nova, the OER reproduction features 5 steel brackets, pre-assembled with smooth head rivets for an authentic appearance and trouble-free installation. Each OER grille will fit 1964 Nova and Chevy II coupe, convertible, 2-door or 4-door sedan, and station wagon models. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.